Hi, it's Ivy Slater. Last week in the blog, I was talking about the Grammys, and I was truly impressed with not just the Grammys, but if you watched Fire Aid on YouTube or watched it live, if you watched the beginning of the Super Bowl and the tribute and the way the first responders honored the families and unfortunately the people that were lost, the people in LA who have lost their homes and people who have lost their lives, and there's been numerous things from DC to the Carolinas. I share this because myself and Slater Success as an organization has always cared about giving back. We do a nonprofit series every year, as well as interviews with other nonprofit leaders in our Success Story podcast. I don't do this as business building. I do this because I care. I care about organizations. I care about making a difference. And I truly believe when Stevie Wonder quoted Quincy Jones, when he spoke at the Grammys, and he said, "Leave your egos outside the room." It's something as far as leadership is what we could learn. Leave our egos outside our leading capacity. Lead with our hearts. Know where we show up, we can make a difference, not just to our companies, but all the other ripple effect of the organizations we can touch. Giving back isn't always just about in the old-fashioned way of writing a check or throwing your credit card or paying through PayPal or Venmo, although that is fabulous. Sometimes it's just showing up. There's things I volunteer for, the organizations I'm involved in, and I know many of you are involved in many things as well. I just thought to take this week's video and think about how we can leave our egos out of the room, be smarter leaders, lead by giving forward with an open heart and an open mind. And let's make a difference in our world today and always. Feel free to share some charities, nonprofits, and ways that you have given back, not to just prove that you do it, but to share so we could learn all about different organizations from one another. Let's do this together.